Hi everyone. Our topic of today is nutrition in human beings. Basically, nutrition in human being take place in the digestive system, and digestive system consists of alimentary canal and glands, and this produce enzymes, and these enzymes help in breakdown of food into smaller molecules. The main organ of digestive system are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. And the main glands of our digestive systems are salivary gland. Salivary gland release saliva. Gastric gland basically for pepsin, liver for bile juice, pancreas for pancreatic juice, and intestinal for enterokinin and other chemicals. So we can see the hair digestive system, which includes stomach, our complete esophagus, that is food pipe, and then duodenum, jejunum, ileum. These are the part of small intestine, and then large intestine, cecum, colon, and rectum. So these all are the part of our digestive system. Digestive system also include gland, because glands also play a very important role in digestion. Why glands play important role? Like salivary gland release saliva, and saliva help in digestion of 30% of starch in the mouth. Actually, starch is a homopolysaccharide, and starch is breakdown into maltose, which is disaccharide. So 30% of starch is breakdown into the mouth by the help of salivary amylase, which is secreted by salivary gland. So there is too much important role of salivary gland in our body. Then bile juice, which is secreted by liver, and gallbladder. In gallbladder, bile juice is stored and concentrated. The gallbladder also play important role. For pancreas, it releases trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidase. So these all are for protease, peptone, digesting enzymes. And we all know that there is a too much important role of villi, which are in small intestine, for increasing the surface area, so that in a regular way there is absorption take place inside the small intestine. This is all about nutrition in human beings, how in human beings nutrition take place.